I'm Nathan from Lithe Audio, and today we will be unboxing our all-in-one Bluetooth rock speaker. Open. Take a look and see what's inside. So straight away from the unbox, we have the instruction manual. The power supply. We have the extension power supply. And the rock itself. So as you can see here, with the rock you have two connections on the back. So the plug itself with the IP68 amplifier, which is completely waterproof and can be left outside all year round. So that can be plugged in directly, or you have a 5-meter extension power supply, which of course plug in again. The power supply has 2 meters itself. Now, as you can see here as well, we have another connection for our passive rock speaker. But now I'm going to show you how to power. Okay, now we've placed it, plugged it. So this can be done by simply connecting with your phone, and that can be done by going into your phone settings, Bluetooth, and then once it's powered on, it will be located as Lithe Audio GS, and you type in the pin, which you can find in the manual. So I'm just going to do that now. And there we go, as easy as that. I'm Nathan, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.